So if you start here at the Colonial School District website, then what you'll do next is go to Parents and Students, click and look for the student portal. Once you go down there, find the trophy for the Clever portal. And this is where you'd click here to scan the Clever badge, or if you have the login information, you could enter it in here as well. Once you get into the Clever portal, you look for My Face, which matches the one down here, and it'll say our Berks page. And once you click here, then you'll see all of the at-home resources that I've put on. You can do things for social studies, science. These are free printable worksheets, art, just different things that you can do. Here's what we typically use in class very frequently. Here's Dreambox, Imagine Learning, Raz Kids, Nearpods, Flipgrids, which I've been sending out, and then pretty soon Schoology. The kids who have Chromebooks in the classroom know how to use Schoology. iPads, it's a little bit different. I would not recommend using Schoology through an iPad. And then for some online math games, coding, and this is ones that we've done in class, but more we've done together for students to do math games on their own. I would definitely pick one of the Greg Tang math games right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4.